Hello all. So, you can probably see it's dark. But the reason we're dark right now is because this lovely piece of antiquated technology just showed up today. For those of you that have probably never seen one, this is a Dietz. Yeah, I guess there's a bunch of different ways to say it, but I'll say Dietz because that's what I know it as. Hanging street lantern. We'll turn the lights on here in a minute so I'll give you guys a better look, but I figured, why not do it in the dark a little bit. A little bit more light on here. And it actually throws not a bad amount of light. It's just a garage, so apologize for the mess, but the Acadia there, I know I gotta do a little more tinkering with him, but we're getting there. Oh, I guess spoiler, muffler came, so that's on there. But gonna set this back down because it's heavy for how much tin is there. It should be, I think they said the original factory shipping weight was about 22 to 24 pounds. And that's with the wooden crate as well, I'd imagine. So that's probably a decent 10, 12, maybe even 15 pounds. I really don't know. I should weigh it. See if we get there we are. The backlight on so you guys can kind of actually have a look at this thing. So up top, yeah, there's a dang, I'm pretty sure that's from shipping, but the guy on eBay packed this rather crudely, so I'm surprised it made it here in one piece at all. I figure if I get this to heat up, I can try and just tap it out without damaging the lettering too much. But anyways, we've got a Dietz No.3 globe tubular. So, say number 3 hanging. In my Milton video, you guys would have seen my Dominion, which is new old stock from about 1880. And this one runs in around, I'm just going off the patent dates again, so bear with me, April of 1891. That's going to be pretty much impossible to see, but right down in there, just offside the controller for your wick, is the patent dates. Now, this thing the font doesn't leak. Still got the original cap, which still has a decently tight fit in. I just don't want to damage it because it is kind of loose, but it does fit nice. 100 and some odd year old cork in there that is still doing its job. That's your lift for your globe. Again, this is just basically for people that don't know these or that they even exist. Finger would go there, thumb would go there, and you would lift this globe up. And then you can access your font. And these were, sorry, I'm not watching what I'm doing again. Basically, you could start this, fill it up, and never have to take the globe out. Because there should have been a matchstick holder here, which I'll probably end up making one, or see if I can get one. But, so you got your match. This little door here, kind of stiff, but it does open. There's a little, where are we? Ledge in there, which is going to be pretty much impossible for you guys. Oh no, right there, where you would have had a piece of Now this is just speculation because I haven't done too much research or looking on this, but a piece of striker, you go strike your match off in there and then feed into the wick, and she goes. So all this is here. These were normally painted green. I think there was a couple other color choices, maybe a silver and a red, maybe. Don't quote me on that. But as you guys can probably see, this is nickel plated. I don't know why you would ever nickel plate a font. So I'm going to have to do some more research into that one and see why. Because there was two different styles of font. This being just the regular one, and then they had the crystal, which was basically the same tank that had a piece of glass in there so you could see the level of fuel. And like most of my lanterns I have, I just run straight kerosene. But yeah, throws off decent light. I think they said it's 22 candles. And yeah, that's really about it, but I thought we'd maybe dabble in one of my other hobbies, which is lanterns. So I didn't do an unboxing video because, well, you know me, I can't wait. But yeah, very cool piece, very happy to have it. So that'll look nice at night for the steam shows. And yeah, that's it, guys. Get you going in the dark here again just for a sec, and we'll probably sign off, because like I say, just going to be a short little video. And yeah, another new toy, I guess. I really need to clean that globe. Alright guys, talk to you in the next one.